Hey there everyone, this is Nick as founder and CEO at Hitgoc. So in previous video we saw how to work with if else block, right? So in today's video we're gonna see a different function rather than map that's called filter function, right? So filter function is basically used to filter data from the array. It works sort of like that, right? So it basically returns filtered array, basically filtered elements in the array, right? It do returns the array but filtered array, right? So let me just clear this out, right? And here let's say we got 1 2 35 55 10. Okay, let's let's keep doing it. Array data dot filter, right? Functionality is same. The method is same, right? So the callback function, callback arrow function, and then we used to provide the arguments, same argument as we gave in this map function, right? Item, index, and array. So we'll leave with this with the array part. It's not much necessary, right? In some cases it is, but we'll let it go for now. Okay, so we can basically remove this curly brace, and return we can directly apply the condition over here, like what sort of elements exactly you want to filter out, right? So let me just uh, okay, this item argument or item parameter has the access to all the individual elements of this array, right? So let's call it item, right? So let's give it a condition. So if item equals triple equals, so triple equals, you can go with double equals also, right? And you can go with triple equals also. So the difference between double equals and triple equals is basically when there is double equals, then it would check the value. Of course it would check the value, but it won't check the data type, right? So let's say one, which is a data type of integer, or yeah, integer, will not be equals to the string, something written inside this body will not be equal to something written with the data type of integer, right? So it basically checks the data type of the elements, right? So if the data type and the value is same, then the condition is true, right? So I would go with item equals return me item, which is equals, let's say uh item greater than uh let's say 35 or 30, right? So it's gonna return me, this is basically, you know this thing is basically returning item. So this could be word like this as well. We can call it, if you're having trouble to understand that direct returning method, you can try this as well, right? If item equals uh well, I guess I did some mistake over here. It has to be if item greater than 30, then return item, right? So what this return statement does is it basically returns the item, this item, to a new array, right? Not this array, but to a new array which is gonna be stored in some constant, right? So we can do new array, or let's say filtered array equals to this, right? So each and every element which is gonna be returned from this statement is gonna be stored in this variable as an array. right? So filter method basically returns the array which is going to be stored in this filtered array, right, variable. So let me just check the output. Console.log, we can directly, console.log the filtered array. Hit save. Oops. Head towards the live server. Cool. So yeah, console, head towards the console. Got it. Right. So we got the array 35 and 50, which is greater than 30. Right. It's greater than 30, 35 and 50 elements of this array. So it's basically this filter function is, it's a really important part in JavaScript. This really reduces your work rather than just providing some sorting algorithm or filtering algorithm. You can specifically use this filter method instead, right? And you can basically filter out all the elements inside this array, and you can return it to a new variable which is gonna store the updated array, right? This filtered array. So this works something like this, and you can uh, just you can reduce the time, or yeah, you can basically reduce the time to rather than typing this, the if condition and something like this, and writing the return and then item. You can directly go with this, right? Item greater than 30. I guess this would work fine. Yeah, this is working fine. Cool. So yeah, earlier I was actually writing this, but this is not some sort of condition. I don't know why I wrote it, right? Just my bad for it, right? So yeah, item greater than 30, it would give you this. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the filter method in array. This is an important sorting or method or array method, right, in JavaScript. So make sure to just practice it down, right? So it plays a vital role. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next upcoming videos. Peace out.